Welcome back to Chuck's Science and Robotics. We're examining a new robotic arm that I built. It essentially has three axes, one here, and one here. Of course, this axis is the gripper. This axis is lifting and lowering. You'll notice that the servo, which is a modified servo with two wires, in fact each motor uses just two wires. We're not using any Arduino or microprocessor. We're just basically giving it a plus or a minus onto the motor itself. And the gears that are located in each of the motors, of course, slows things down to make things smooth. So we can also spin around back and forth. Lift up a little higher. And then we'll go down a little bit. And we'll open the gripper. And we'll go back up. And swing back over. Go back down. So you can see the up-down motion, the way it works. It's basically a crank. See how that works like that? Put some pressure, however, on my board there, so we'll be careful about that. Puts pressure right here, and then causes this to go off a little off balance. The main axis, of course, is the axis that allows the rotation of the robotic arm. If we take a look at the different ways, I used a little box that you can get at the dollar store. You buy them you get a whole pack of them. Anyway, that is basically the base. I drilled a hole in the base. You can use also a you get fruit and different things in these type of containers, and you can cut those out. But the nice thing is the ability of it to rotate smoothly. Okay, let's take a look at that again. Let's open and close the gripper. Okay, bring her up. See how nice and level she stays? That's because of this leveling rod. Okay. The robot's made out of cardboard, little plastic box, some plastic material. You can cut this out of wood or anything you might want to fashion it out of. There's a hinge here, and this is just a paper clip that's straightened out and bent to shape and size. And you can just lower it, bring it all the way up, swing it, back and forth. Well, thanks for joining me for this lesson in a simple, easy to build robotic arm. If you're interested and you like this video and you'd like to learn how to build this robotic arm, please contact me and I'll be glad to make a video on the construction of this arm. Thanks for joining me. Till next time, Chuck's Science and Robotics Workshop.